Hello! My name is Gary. Today. Sorry, Gary. Hello. Salutations. My name is Gary. And this is our Karikamal Kukili Kaka Kukili special. Part 2, Christmas carols. Part 2. So we're going to be doing some Christmas carols with numerous instruments this time. So it's a revamped Master Christmas carol. And we've obviously been joined by Jesus himself. So let's get started into the videocly. Cut. Oomy. So I'm going to play you a series of famous Christmas songs / carols, such as Christmas Carol. And you have to guess what it is. I'll give you a certain amount of time to do it. If you get it wrong, you might as well throw yourself out a window. If you get it right, get the nearest pet to you and throw it outside your top bedroom window and see whether or not it survives. Okay, so ready? Yeah, we go every day, going down the sea. My name is Gafty Gadoozy. So I should go Oomigosh, so that's wrong. I'm a survival expert, by the way. Did I mention that? I'm a survival expert, so I know how to light a fire with only a stick and some rocks. First song, we will be using the Hamaklislata. The Hemenia. Zoom in out so they know what brand it is. Hookag. So this is an introductory one. It's so easy. Just if you get this wrong, yeah, burn some houses. Don't do that. Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. I know how to play this. It's called the Hamania. Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you approximately 7. Not really. Not really. Oh. Oh. Ow. That's true. I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna give you 2 seconds to guess what Christmas carol that was. 1, 2. What was it? It was. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And the lyrics are, I'll sing it to you because then you can like compare it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good times for you and your kids. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That was the song. So, on to our next song. This is a really easy song. Once again, I'm just making this easy for you because I know you're trash at everything. So the next song is, well, I'm not going to tell you. Oh, that would be funny if I told you that, wouldn't it? Right, we're still going to be using the harmonica now. The hibba. We're going to be using the hibba round. So it will be sounding amazing, and it is a really easy one, guys. If you don't get this one again, do try and just throw some pictures out your window or something. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a nice and short one, and I'm gonna give you trois. Un. Deux. Three. Stop. That was We Three Kings of Orient. There's a train coming. On to the next song. Yeah, so the next song is it's medium. If you're on a game and you select the difficulty, it will come up as medium. We're going to be using a really special instrument. Pens. Right, okay, so... Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bass. That was it. So, I'm going to give you a solid 3 seconds to guess that. So, I'm going to count down. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Stop, 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 stop! It was a holy night. Can you get a pen? You know, I'm a survival expert, but I'm not a Jedi. So you're actually making me do this. I'm so mad. Do you know it's Christmas time? You're supposed to do like good deeds. Well, like just. I'm gonna go get the pen instead. So the next song is a fairly classic, easy, simple to do song. I'm gonna give you a tutorial. Oh, yes, I thought that was a joke. Right, here we go. What this then? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you, thank you. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess that one. It was really easy, but I'm feeling generous. 5, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1. Right, that song was Oh King David City. Oh King David City. That was easy to get. I don't know what you're on about. That was easy to get. It's obviously that song. Next song. Next song is a really simple one. It's like one that you learn when you're a child. So let's get ready. Really easy one. 1 second. 1. Oh. Time's up. It was Oh Christmas Tree. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, how lovely. So, the next song. This one is so easy. If you get this in, I'm using my voice, my tweet, my flicker. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. It's so easy, like, if you don't get the song, get your phone, snap it. Dog. Okay, that song was Rocking Around the Christmas Tree. Okay, next song. This is our last finale song. Until next year, obviously. We're going to do this funky transition again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This next song is a speciality. I know this song. So you will as well. Wrong instrument, jeez. Here we go. I'll hum it as well. Okay, that song, so easy. That is, do they know it's Christmas time? Do they know it's Christmas? Do they know it's Christmas? Really easy. Like, if you didn't get that, obviously, then you're gonna have to throw your cat out the window at about 14 miles per hour using a tennis ball racket. So that was Christmas Carols Part 2. That was Christmas Carols Part 2. I hope you really enjoyed the video. And I'm going to play you the outro singly with the harmonia. Gary, Oomigosh. That was the Christmas Carol music Part 2. I hope you enjoyed this Christmas special. I hope you have an awesome Christmas. I hope you do get a bear and just eat it raw, whilst having turkey stuffed inside its mouth, and then that's really good Christmas dinner. Tips. I hope you get some really cool presents. So I'm gonna go out and kill some goats so I can eat their horns. For that calcium, you get me? Have a good Christmas, guys, and I'll see you. Oomigosh, signing out. I've said bye. I have done it. Ja. I've said bye. So goodbye.